Hey YouTube, this is Brandon here with another American Gear Reviews review, and we're going to be installing, which I've already started, but we're going to be installing this shifter knob here. And look at my other review for all the specs and the unboxing. It's a 44 Magnum shifter knob, and I'll be putting that on my Jeep JKU today. So I've already started the installation, and in my other video I showed the different size caps, and the one that I was referring to in the video, the smaller one with the thickest ID, the inner diameter, that is the one that I ended up using. So we've got the bottom cap already on here. Very important that you put that on first. So we've got that, and we have the spacer inside of here, and you will need to cut the top off of this. You can see on these other ones how it's closed on this back side. What you want to do is take a knife, a saw, whatever you have, and just cut off a little bit here, and that way you can slide it down over the shifter shaft. So once you have that there, you can put the set screws in through here, and there's 3 contact points, one on the back on either side, and this one here. So we're going to go ahead and tighten those up, and I'll be right back. Alright, so we've got all the set screws tightened up, and you can see nothing sticking out. They're all flush. And then you'll take the actual shifter knob, and there's a spring inside of there, and you just set that down over there, and that spring will contact the set screws and the spacer, and you'll push that down and tighten this bottom piece up. And we'll go ahead and do that, and I'll show you the finished product. Alright, as you can see there, I've brought the bottom piece up and tightened it into the housing, and this is it. So you've got this that you can take off, and inside of here down to about here you have a storage compartment where you can put whatever you want, change, extra ammo, earbuds, whatever you have. So, and it's pretty nice. There's a little bit of wiggle, but I don't mind that. It's spring loaded, and that's how it's retained, so that's fine by me. Anyway, I think it looks good, and if you guys have any questions or comments, leave them below. Be sure to hit that like and subscribe button, and thanks for tuning in. Catch you on the next video, guys.